Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course, today we will cover checkbox button click with Selenium Java. We have opened this Eclipse. In this I have created one checkbox button.java class for in Java folder, and test folder we have created checkbox button test. Okay, so in checkbox button Java class we have used this IDs. Okay, bmw check ps. This I will be showing you how I have find this IDs, and simple constructor I have taken, and to initialize all the this at the rate find by. So I have used this init element in page factory, because at the rate find by of page factory. So first click I have written like first dot click, second dot click, and third dot click, and I will be calling in our test class. In test class initialize browser simple. Okay, maximize window, implicit wait, URL for radio same I have used, get title, then checkbox class I have called here. Okay, created the object of here, and now first click I have called, second click, and then third click, and DLO means close the browser, and thread dot sleep I have put so that you can see like how they are getting clicked. Okay, so now I will show you how we can get this IDs. So ID is this BMW check. For second one, it's not clicked. Yeah, now is Benz check. Okay, now third one, Honda check. Okay, and this URL we will be using it. Okay, now let's run it. Right click, run as sdet test. Let's wait. Chrome browser is launching, practice page is opening. Now after loading it should, yeah, BMW Benz Honda is checked, and now the browser will be closed. So total test run 1, pass is 1, failure 0, skip 0, C. Okay, now pass com.test.selenium checkbox test, and how? Click this com test selenium dot, what is checkbox, this one was button test, and in this method is called click checkbox. So see, okay, title of the page is practices, so that is printed. Okay, got it, how to click on a checkbox. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video, and if you have any question please comment. Thank you, bye bye.